Welcome to a detailed guide to the PET bottle recycling process. Today we're going to explore each step of this complex process. Polyethylene terephthalate, also known as PET, is a plastic widely used in graphic packaging. For your better understanding, plastics are divided into two main groups: regular plastics and professional plastics. PET is in the regular plastic group. Regular plastics have many different groups. Why do we recycle PET plastic and not other types of plastic? Because PET plastic has the most suitable chemical and physical composition for the recycling process. And besides, the demand for products made from PET materials is very high. Recycling PET plastic bottles not only helps save resources, but also minimizes negative impacts on the environment. Every recycling process starts with collection, right? The trucks carry tightly pressed bales of PET plastic bottles from different collection points to the recycling plant. Advanced automatic sorting systems, or rice-powered machinery. Well, I'm just kidding. I mean the manual method used in this stage to thoroughly sort the inputs of the recycling process. Modern machines can be used to sort the colors of PET bottles after separating labels to achieve the best efficiency for the subsequent recycling process. Color grading is also important because different plastic colors can have different properties and be used for different applications. Once sorted, the plastic bottles are transferred to the crushing stage. Here, industrial crushers do what they love. They gobble up the PET bottles and break them into small pieces until they reach the required preset size. This increases the surface area, making the subsequent cleaning and flotation step more efficient than washing the intact PET bottles. The crushers are equipped with powerful rotating blades, which shred plastic bottles into even crumbs. These debris are then screened to remove pieces that are too large. The next step is to separate the PET flakes from the impurities. In the flotation tank, the PET flakes will sink while the lighter impurities such as labels and bottle caps will float to the surface and be removed to another area. From here, the PET material and the impurities must say goodbye to each other. The sinking PET flakes are moved through the cleaning area with powerful water jets or powerful agitation systems to separate the dirt from the surface of the PET flakes. Perhaps they have never had such a good bath in their lives. After cleaning, unlike humans who still need to retain moisture on their skin after bathing, the PET flakes are completely dried by an industrial dryer to remove any remaining moisture. This step is important to prepare the PET flakes for the final processing stages. Each type of plastic will have different properties, with PET having high flow properties. The best way to recycle PET bottles is to use a filament pelletizing system and then pelletize to the desired size. So at this stage, the dry PET flakes are fed into the extrusion line. During this process, the flakes will transform through being melted. So do you understand why we need to dry them after giving them a good bath? The melted PET is then formed into filaments. But that's not all. The fibers are cooled and cut into PET pellets, which are then sieved again to ensure uniform size. Only the finest PET pellets are sent through a final drying process before continuing their journey to PET plastic processing plants. Recycling PET plastic bottles is a complex but vital process that contributes to environmental sustainability. Each step plays an important role in turning waste into a valuable resource. By understanding and supporting recycling efforts, we can help reduce plastic waste and protect our environment. Recycle today for a better future. Thank you for joining us on our journey to discover the PET plastic bottle recycling process. If you find the channel's videos interesting and meaningful, please give us one like, one share, and don't forget to follow the channel so you don't miss the latest videos. See you in the next video.